Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can use avatars for your video calls and meetings on Google Meet really quickly. For example, if you'd like to use the avatar to stay anonymous and to use it instead of your own face recorded live. So let me show you how to do that, guys. What you want to do is here inside your video call or meeting is hover your mouse over the center of your display here. And here you will see an option, backgrounds and effects. So click on it. And after that, that window here or that panel to the right will pop up. So what you want to do is switch to effects and filters here and simply browse through that list of, for example, filters and the user avatars here to use them and to apply them. For example, you can use that one here, wait for a brief moment so that Google Meet may apply it. And use it here as your avatar. You may, for example, also use various accessories like glasses or a mustache and so on and so forth to use it, for example, as a personalization. And that's it. As you can see, super simple. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.